Today we discuss about how to make a test in TestMoz. How to make a test in TestMoz. Just first you go to Chrome. Click on the Chrome. Just click on the Chrome. You click there, TestMoz, TestMoz, TestMoz. The page will be obtained like this, and we go to the first, click on the TestMoz. Next, the new window will be obtained like this: home, features, pricing, FAQs, build a test, login or sign up. Just you click on the build a test. Test name, I am writing here test name. Basics of digital electronics. Choose a password. For this test, you give password here and retype your password. Then you click on the create test. Then automatically the test is created. What's the name here? We choose basics of digital electronics. Next, here dashboard will be obtained. Otherwise, you go to menu, close menu, the page like this, or otherwise we go to the menu settings, or otherwise close the menu. Here also you go to the adjust settings. Either you go through the menu settings or otherwise adjust settings in the dashboard. The test name will be obtained here, basics of digital electronics. Introduction of this test, I am giving here test prepared by myself, so I am giving here my name. Yes, introduction is completed. And color scheme, which color you want, that you selected. I am selecting here blue color. Next, go to question settings. Here question settings show all the test questions and one page recommended for new users of TestMoz, or otherwise show one question per page. That means all the questions in one page, just select on the first one, or otherwise one question per page, you select second one. I am selecting first one. Show all the test questions on one page only. Next, for the review settings, conclusion test. For the acknowledgement of the test, here I am writing test is successfully submitted. This is acknowledgement to participant. And next, just click on the show a custom message. Here show a custom message if the student passed or failed. Just select on it, enable that one. And next, here what is the passing score? I am giving here 50%. Next, pass message, so that's why I am giving here congrats. Next, fail message, try again. Here at the end of the test, display the users. That means for the participants, what we have to given as a display. Just select all these things: score, test outline, indicate if their response was correct or incorrect, and display the correct answer, display the explanation. And next, access control. Access control means who can take your test. Either anyone can take your test, or otherwise those persons who shared by your passcode or otherwise student ID, employee ID like this, or particular mail addresses only. Whatever you required, select that one, or otherwise just select anyone only. I am selecting anyone. Here how much time do test takers have to complete the test, that means time duration for test. So I am giving here just 2 minutes. And how many times can someone take your test, that also I am giving 2 times only. And next, what should test takers enter to identify themselves, that means participants enter to identify. How to identify themselves? Here we use either enter your name or enter a student ID, enter email address, whatever you required. Here you can edit here. Just I am giving here enter your name only, enter your name. And next, go to the save tab. From the all the settings are confirmed, all the settings are selected at once. You go to the bottom of the page and click on the save. Click on the save. When you click on the save, the test will be saved. Settings, all settings are updated. And now you go to insert the questions. For the insert the questions, go to insert, down arrow mark, just you press the enter, insert, just insert. Here which type of question we choose. Here either multiple choice, true or false, matching, fill in the blank, essay type, like this. I am choosing here multiple choice. Multiple choice. Here instead of question you write the question here, just edit that one. I am writing here how many diodes in full wave rectifier. Options, for giving options, just you click on the choice 1, and choice 2, next option 3, for the next option 4. Next, for the correct answer I will giving the points here, 2 points. And next select the correct answer 2. Give the correct answer and give the points to this question. First question completed. And next, for the next question, go to insert, down arrow mark only, just to click on that, true or false. Is half wave rectifier has 2 diodes. Is half wave rectifier has 2 diodes. It is a false, so that's why correct answer I am choosing here as a false, and the points given as a 2 points. Second question also completed. For the next question I am go to the insert only. Insert, fill in the blank, edit the question, full form of DC, and go to correct answer text. Here give the correct answer, direct current. That's it. And go to the points. I am giving here 1 point only. So the test is prepared for the 5 marks. The test is completed. After the test is completed, you go to menu, publish. Go to publish and you click on the publish console. Just you click on the publish. Next, the test has been published. Some code will be exist is a testmos.com, some code. Just you click on that code, press that code, copy link test. You copy that link and go to mail, compose. For myself only I am giving subject test, paste, send. Yes, the test code is received the participant. Just click on that code, participant write the exam, enter your name. I am giving here, yes, start. All the questions in one page only, no, so that's why one page only all the questions will be obtained here. Is a half wave rectifier has 2 diodes? False. How many diodes? 2 diodes. Full form, direct current. Yes, submit. Here are all the things what we have to given in the settings, all are displayed here. Test is successfully submit, score 100%, duration 23 seconds. Congrats. Next, logout. It is a simple way to make a test using the testmos, and we go to the results, go through the results. Just you click on the results, click on the results. Here the results are obtained here. One participant only, so name, score, started on, finished on, time, like this. The results also observed here. That's it. It is a very simple way to make a test using testmos. Thank you.